Hi family, friends, and guests. Welcome to the LaughSaver app tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to download the free LaughSaver app onto your iPhone and Android phones. I also want to show you some of the features of the LaughSaver app. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Apple App Store and download the app onto your phone. So, you go to the App Store and type LaughSaver into the search bar. That's LaughSaver, LaughSaver. When you do that, you'll see that the smiley face LaughSaver logo comes up. Now, you click the Open button and the free LaughSaver app is imported onto your phone. The next thing you're going to want to do is create a free LaughSaver account. To do that, you tap on the LaughSaver icon and immediately this screen will come up. Tap Let's Go and you're immediately sent to a page that features the laugh of the day and some recent laughs. The next thing you're going to want to do is create a free LaughSaver account. At the bottom of the page is a Create button. You tap that and the app asks you to log in. Tap that and then, and you only need to do this once, you'll tap the Sign Up button so you can create your own LaughSaver account and laugh bank. The next screen is the Sign Up page, where you'll need to add your first name, last name, create a screen name, choose your pronoun preference, and create a password. Then hit Submit. LaughSaver will automatically send you a confirmation email, and you're ready to go. Now let's take a look at some of the LaughSaver app features. On the home page is a movie icon. Tap on that and you'll see some videos of famous and not so famous comedians. Click on the Create button at the bottom of the page and create your first laugh. When you hit the Create button, this screen will appear. Click on the microphone at the top right of the page to record your first laugh. When you click Record, this page will appear. Record your laugh. When you have finished your laugh, this page will appear. Now, give your laugh a name, list whose laughter it is, and then give an age for the person laughing. Then upload the laugh. Your laugh will then appear in the daily laugh feed. You can also share your laughs and the laugh of the day by hitting this button. You can like other people's laughs or report them if you find them inappropriate. You can also check and see which are the top laughs on LaughSaver. Of course, you can change your profile by hitting the profile button at the bottom of the page. You also receive your own private laugh bank when you sign up for LaughSaver. By hitting this button, you can see all of the laughs you've saved. That just about covers the basics. Please share this video and your laughs with friends. Because now, more than ever, the world needs your laughter. Thanks for watching.